You've caught me building with bricks. I love building things that I have seen or imagined. Hello, I'm Miss Nancy from the Lake City branch of the Seattle Public Library, here with another edition of Early Learning Together. As you may know, there are 5 skills preschoolers need to develop to be ready for school and life. Today, we will be talking about play. Kids who play in early childhood will continue to have fun and explore new activities throughout their lives. When we think of playing, we often think of toys. And one of the favorite toys kids have are the toys that let them build. Toys like blocks and bricks and magnetic tiles. Kids can use their imaginations and learn how to make strong structures. They have early engineering experiences. In this video, we will be building structures using blocks, bricks, and books, and some of the structures will fall down. I'm building a castle from Ireland. Let's go through the door to adventure and play and see how many of my young friends are exploring the world, learning new skills, and especially having fun. This young friend built a flying machine and loves playing with it. These friends love building vehicles with wheels and then playing with them. And this friend and his cat enjoy building fanciful structures with blocks. Some kids take the bricks and use them to make a story. Here, a young friend makes a zoo train from his wheeled bricks and takes a tour of zoo exhibits created by pictures of animals from some of his favorite library books. I have enjoyed guided tours on trains in some zoos in other cities.
Welcome to my zoo. Are you ready for a tour?
We are.
Here's some frogs here.
It's okay.
And here's some pigs here. And some tigers. And a cheetah, a cat here. Yep. And some camels here. And a bear here. And a wolf. And a skunk here. So,
Raccoon.
raccoon here. Some penguins here. And some polar bears here. And all of our sea creatures. You can say creatures.
Mm-hmm.
And here's some gorillas here. And here's some cows here. And some horses and cows here. And a giraffe here. And some elephants here. And some big cats.
Bighorn.
Bighorn.
Sheep.
And some wolves.
And
A panda bear.
and who's in the middle? Who's in the Serengeti?
Some zebras. Let's turn it sideways so no one can see it. Okay?
Okay.
And here's what is this again? Sawfish,
Ostrich.
ostrich, and a bird, and giraffe, and zebras, and what are those? There's a guy hurting.
Hippos.
Hippo.
And rhinos.
and rhinos, and some more giraffes, and another ostrich. With different tails. Don't got different tails, right, Mama?
Another young friend used blocks to make an enclosure for a bear. Oh, you can build with blocks. That ramp looks like fun. I like to play with blocks too. I like to see how high I can stack them before they fall down. I guess I was able to get it outside of, oh, that one doesn't fit very well. There we go. I guess that's as high as I'm going to make that one today. Boom! You can build with magnetic tiles. I love how the magnets hold the pieces together and allow you to make pointed roofs. You can build with friends who are in your bubble. When you have a pile of building materials, the choices are endless. Some kids learn how to use animation apps to tell stories with their bricks too. I think you'll really enjoy this story made by one of my young friends. Some people like to play with dominoes. You can take turns and match up the numbers. Here are two threes that match, two sixes that match. Here is a two that matches there. But you can do other things with dominoes too. You can stack them up and see how high they go, like that. Or you could put them in a row like this and make a chain to see if you can knock down one domino and make the other dominoes fall down too. I'm going to see if this works. I'm pushing the one at the back. One, two, three. Oh, they all fell down. Well, at the downtown library a few years ago, people did this with books and they went all over the main floor of the library. And one of the families I know liked this idea so much that the mother and the son made a chain of books through their house and knocked them down too.
Ready, set, oh, go. Okay. Come on down, come on. Oh no, come knock this one down quick. Oh, Daddy got it. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Whoa! Falling over books. Yay!
You can always go back through that doorway to the adventure of play and building anytime you want. What will you build today? I hope you'll come back to the Seattle Public Library Kids YouTube channel often to see more videos made by my friends and me. Have fun!